Welcome back. I'll show you how to create a searchlight in a simple way. So I'm starting the shortcut V button. First add just a cylinder, and I'm making a very simple searchlight, very simple, because my target is to only show that how the light is added. Okay, so here simply I'm making very simple searchlight. Here extrude, yes, extrude, yeah. Okay, now select all and give this all object black color, or you can give any color as you like. It depends upon you how you are seeing this object. Now think you have assigned it, and select only this part and add this the emission and put the value 10. Now click on this render, and you can, what is bloom? Yes, you have to tick this bloom, and now yes, oh yes, this material and assign. Yeah, it is working. Now add a add this light. So add spotlight and 90 degree, minus 90 degree, yeah, and keep this value as a 10,000, and you can put the value, and yeah, you can yeah. To check it is working or not, you can add a small object as a mesh. Yes, yeah, yeah, it is working. And just it is working, and I think you can give the material color as you like, whatever you can give, and as we can use it as a searchlight. So select this first light, pressing shift, click on this searchlight. Okay, now press right and make it as a parent. Now wherever you will move, it is just working. If you will rotate, yes, it is working. Yeah, it is working. it is nicely working. If you will put any object in this, yeah, it is giving shadow. Okay, so yes, it is working. It is lovely working. So thank you for this watching, and thank you. So thank you.